we have booked our house in 2016. Then from 2016 onwards, we both started hunting about the interiors. Then I think Sumit visited almost every interiors, and we went to all the interior door stuff, and finally our hunt stopped at Essence. I saw actually, I can take that credit. I saw that video of one of the video from the Essence, and then I called Mrin. Then yes, then Sumit introduced, and he started talking, and he take it further on.
Many company when we visited, they desperately they asked, okay, let's book and start the designing. But he is the only one who said, no, it's very early. Don't do it now. I'll let you know when we're supposed to start. And he guided me throughout the journey till starting from the first interaction, then designing, implementation, handover, everything. It was very smooth with them.
Each and every time, whenever we try to purchase some furniture or this one,
Any idea?
anything, we used to ask our designer, because they given the designer in the very first time itself, like these are the Snigdha and Abir will be your designer.
So we started with the floor plan. Now with the floor plan, they have shown us what we can do, we should put what, and what will be the approximate project cost or the estimations. They have given everything. So that is actually the deciding factor. And we saw there a couple of projects as well in the factory live. We saw that how they are working, what are the materials they are using. So those things means it's confirmed my decision. So we are not going with anyone. That is my final hunting. So after that, I have not visited any other interior or anyone, and that's what we decided to go with the Asense. About the design process, we had so many ideas, so many references. We shared all our ideas and whatever things we had so far. Then we started designing and discussion with Abir and Snigdha. So basic design, what they did is whatever we said as a requirement, they put all those things. Then they come as their recommendations and mix and match, right?
Believe me or not, they even taken Akshansh little bit of idea.
Yes.
Like, I want this. So they didn't say, okay, this is a kid I will not take. They said, yeah, we'll definitely do it. So he is quite happy with that. Abir and Snigdha both helped us to understand inch by inch. I just given this one word like inch, centimeter, everything they have perfectly measured. They said, so this will be little big for us, so please don't go with that. So this will be little, okay, you can go with that. So quite good, relax, okay, we are in good hand. So yes, it's a good one. Production team is, they are really awesome. Because of their production team and their entire team, Asense is blooming now at this moment. Because whatever we have made it in a design, they did it in a real.
They have executed exactly same. I think I will not say exactly same. It's much better than that.
The entire production team, CRM team, including Sai and Mrinmoy, they used to visit our site. Okay, there's some fault. Okay, if we are not finding out, but they are finding out, and they are saying, no, this is wrong, this is not good. Immediately everything is getting changed.
Asense is very happy. He was very excited to come to our new house. The quality of work is very good. Finishing the linings, because of this kit, I specially told them very carefully that I don't want any sharp edge. So whoever was there as execution team, I must not miss the name, Anup. He was the senior carpenter from and leading the team, entire team, who was taken care of each and every single point. I couldn't find any point or any sharp corners. And I must say thank you to the complete Asense team again, because our expected handover date was little further in October, but they have given handed over before time.
They are really the best in the interior field. Because of the coordination, because of the well coordination and planning, the execution has
Yeah.
came properly and beautifully.
As I told you, we have visited many interiors, right? And I have not seen any interiors they have all the departments, like all the teams in-house.
They never say no to anything, at least to us.
Yes.
We said, Sai, we want this. Yes, ma'am, we'll do it. Mrinman, we want this. Yes, we can do it. And that too in the very last moment also, or in between the work, no one will say that. So we can do it. That spirit, Essence really have that.
Yes.
They are the best, as I said. They don't need to do
They are
anything
giving
else.
smile to the customers. What else we need, right? End of the day, that's what we are looking for.